Good morning, fellas. Another update on the radios today. I got a buddy, Renegade, that made me a roll-up J-pole for CB radio. This is LMR 400 with a copper shield. He just had some parts laying around and did some soldering and some zip tying. And this should be, I guess a J-pole is 5/8 on the longest and 1/4 wave on the shortest leg. And I'm gonna go take down my inverted V because I don't have my my Kenwood up right now. I'm just going to get back to the CB and I'll show you some SWR checks and I'll show you it hanging. It's about 26 feet long. It's got a little flex in there, so if I pulled it to 26, I think it would drag the whole thing. Yeah, just about there. 26 feet. And it seems to be 10.5 inches wide at the base. And the shorter conductor is, what is that, 109, just over 109 inches. Yeah, just about 109. Alright, so the wind took her away from me. It's freezing cold. I got this end tied up here to the tree, and I'll try to zoom in. There is the branch that I had it hanging on. Let's see. I gotta pull it up as high as I can reach in this tree. It's too many branches to get higher. So it's cold as crap out, so it's a little deformed, but when it warms up and it hangs a little bit, that'll straighten out. And then I have the coax just drooped there, back over there on the other side of the house, which is where my CB is. Let me zoom back here a little bit. So it's definitely up over the top of the house. There's the top of the house there, and the branch I have it on is right there. All right, let's check it out on the CB. All right, I got a mic here. I got channel 1. We're gonna do an SWR. Looks like a 1.2 on channel 1. Let's go channel 40, SWR. Hold on, focus. Looks like a 1.2. Pretty good across the band. Break radio check, break radio check. This is Roadblock channel 13. Call in Renegade. Can I get a copy? Good, brother. I'm just talking on your J-pole here. I got a copy on you. I think this sounds a little better than the other radio, to be honest. Yeah, man, it's coming through. It's still a light signal, maybe S2, S3, but it's totally legible.
Let me get the camera going here. I want to send you a video of what you sound like. And go ahead.
All right, man, that'd be great. Thanks. I'll be standing by.
You can go ahead now.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is Roadblock doing a radio check with Renegade. Come on back. Thanks, brother. All right, man, let me get back on the phone. We're going to go run out for some ice cream, and I'll be back on the radio later. This is Roadblock signing off to Renegade 73 for now.
Roger that, 73, Roadblock, Renegade back off with you, man. And y'all have a good day, and keep plenty of that ice cream in you. All right, man, that'd be great. Thanks. I'll be standing by.
All right, you can go ahead now.